My stepdaughter is absolutely obsessed with matcha, and when she saw this box and everything that it comes with, she like lost her mind. She is so excited to get her hands on this and start using it. I know people typically get all of the products inside here individually, but now for it to come in a set like this, I think it's awesome. There are like, you have your matcha bowl, you have your bamboo whisk, you have a whisk holder, you have a bamboo scoop, bamboo spoon, matcha sifter, scoop holder, absorbent coaster, tea brush, and a tea cloth. It is a pack of 10. So let's go ahead and check it out and see everything. Ooh, right off the bat, like look at this. So this one is obviously, so it's a coaster. Let's go ahead and open that. So we got a nice coaster. I'm loving the green, obviously makes sense. And then we have the little cloth here. So this is the tea cloth. Ooh, it feels so nice. Look at this. Oh, so you've got this nice design here, and then you have this like on this side here, very pretty. So not only is it practical, it's also very aesthetic. And then we've got, oh, look at the matcha bowl. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we've got, look how stunning that is. Wow. Okay, so that's one of the holders. That one is the whisk holder, I think. Let's see, hold on. So, oh yeah, and then here is the, wow, look at it. Look how it comes packaged. This is so nice. I'm assuming, yeah, then we take that off as well. Oh, look at this. I would definitely feel like a professional using this. And I think this kind of sits in there like that. And then we've got, what's this little guy? This is the, I don't even know what this is. Maybe the tea, oh, the tea brush, I think. We've got the tea brush. We've got our little matcha, like, you'd also use that with some like powdered sugar. And then you've got all your bamboo spoons and utensils here. Oh, look at this. So I think these guys just kind of like lay on here. Something like this, or no, maybe this way. No, you'd want to put this up like this. I'm not even sure. I have to like check all these things out. Look at all these things, or maybe just on the side like that. I bet I'm gonna have to, yeah, I'm gonna read through all this. But look at everything that this comes with. And I can't get over the coloring on this. This is absolutely beautiful. And obviously made from ceramic. I do love that you have the coaster as well, so you can just kind of set it on there. I have seen my stepdaughter make her matcha before. And she's always like whisking it away like this. And then obviously you have your whisk, and you have to be careful because this is really delicate. So being able to have it in like a little holder like this, I think that's really great, because then you're not going to end up ruining the little whisk there. I think this is awesome. If you are a matcha lover or you have a matcha lover in your life, this is the perfect set. It's complete.